Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth devices disconnecting. In the beginning, let's go to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and find the device that is disconnecting. Select it and forget it. Next, enter airplane mode. Restart your smartphone. And then, after the restart, connect the device via Bluetooth again. Problem should be fixed. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.